Can you tell me about the solar system?
The solar system are the stars. We always see them at night. But sometimes when it gets darker and darker, they always come out.
Okay,
And
what else?
And then there's another shooting star. It's a different type.
Okay.
It's a different type.
I see.
We always see them when it gets really dark. And then there's the moon. It's a different moon. It's a watermelon moon.
Oh.
If it stays like that, then there's a watermelon. And
Okay.
then these are the stars, and this is the Saturn of it.
How do you know it's Saturn?
Saturn's a really big one, and it has a ring around it.
Oh, that's right. A ring around it.
And this one's the same as this one, like a planet, but it doesn't have a lot of planets because it's a picture.
Okay, thank you.
It just looks like it has a lot of planets.
Thank you for teaching me. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Why did you say bye?
Oh, because I'm recording you, but I'm going to turn it off now. Bye.